Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're building a Hatsune Miku gaming PC. So I first conceived of a Hatsune Miku gaming PC a while ago, and lo and behold, so did one of my gaming students. So we decided to build one together. With our motherboard, we decided to go with an ASRock B550M Pro 4. For our processor, we decided to go with an AMD Ryzen 4500, which of course will need a graphics card. Our graphics card is the ASUS GeForce 1050 Ti, which of course is still relevant in 2022. The decals were very difficult to put on, to say the least. As you can see, some of the letters got stuck to the transfer tape, so we had to be a little creative. And thank goodness I'm not adjusting the mounting screws this time around.
I look so dumb. Okay, there you go.
So for our storage solutions, we decided to go with a Crucial 500 SSD drive. Now, Crucial is a great brand for price to performance ratio. And of course, the clock speeds for this are up to 2400 megabits per second. For the Wraith cooler, I decided to take off the mounting bracket and spray paint it white. And by the way, this is difficult to do. After I spray paint it white, it's also difficult to put back on. For our RAM sticks, we decided to go with the Oloy 16 gigs of DDR4, which are clocked at about 2600 megahertz. Rad! When mounting the CPU fan, make sure to alternate those screws. And make sure to get that satisfying click. The power needs of this PC are about 380 watts, so of course going with 600 watts was an overkill. And then of course, we do want to do some wire management. So I've separated my main motherboard and my CPU cables to the side, and then I daisy chained some fans together. We're not plugging these into the motherboard since there's no synchronization needed. There we have our USB-C, our USB, and our HD audio, and then of course the most notorious plugs of all, the power switches. Let's go! And the future is now.
I'm looking forward to seeing you again.
Alright guys, so that'll wrap it up for this one, and hopefully I inspired some of you to build to the future.